Hello, my wonderful students. Today, I'm here to share something that could truly change your life. Pay close attention. English is not hard. It's not impossible. You can speak English with confidence, and you can do it sooner than you think. I know some of you feel nervous when you try to speak. You pause, you get stuck, and sometimes you don't even start because you're worried about making mistakes. Maybe you've been studying English for years, yet when it's time to talk, your mind feels completely blank. You recognize the words, you understand when reading or listening, but when you need to speak, you freeze. I understand this because I've faced the same challenge while learning another language. I know how it feels to want to express yourself but not have the right words ready. I know the frustration of hearing someone speak quickly and not catching the meaning. But here's the good news, you don't have to stay stuck. From today, we'll use a simple, natural way to learn English that will take away the struggle. Forget everything that has made English seem hard for you. Put aside complicated grammar rules, the pressure to be perfect, and the fear of failure. Because the real reason people struggle to speak English isn't a lack of knowledge, it's fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being laughed at, fear of being judged. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you spend years with grammar textbooks? Did you memorize endless vocabulary lists? No. You learned by listening, by imitating, by making errors, and by using the language every day. That is exactly how you will learn English now. You don't just need to study English, you need to live it. It shouldn't be something you practice for 1 hour and then forget for the rest of the day. It should become part of your world. You should hear it, think in it, and speak it every single day. I know what you might be wondering, how can I do that? Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the whole process, step by step, so English becomes easy and natural for you. Step 1, shift your mindset. The very first thing is to stop believing that English is difficult. If you keep telling yourself it's hard, your brain will resist learning it. But if you start telling yourself that English is simple, you'll learn much faster. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls down many times, but does that stop him? No, he stands up again, and after some time, walking becomes effortless. That's how learning English works. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. If you're not making them, you're not progressing. Say this with me, English is easy. I can speak English. I'm improving every day. These aren't just words, they are mental training for your brain. The more you say them, the more you will believe them. From now on, never say my English is bad. Never say I can't speak English. Instead, say I'm learning and getting better every day. This simple change in self-talk will have a huge impact on your progress. Step 2, surround yourself with English. Once you've changed your mindset, the next step is to fill your environment with English. Many people think they have to live in an English-speaking country to become fluent, but that's not true. You can create an English world wherever you are. Start by changing the language on your phone to English. Every time you unlock your screen, you'll see and read English words without even trying. Then, train yourself to think in English. Right now, you probably think in your native language and then translate. That slows you down. Instead, begin with short, simple thoughts in English. For example, when you wake up, instead of thinking I need to brush my teeth, think I'm going to brush my teeth. When you make tea, think I'm making tea. When you step outside, think the weather is beautiful today. At first, this will feel unusual. But if you keep doing it, it will soon feel natural. Another powerful method is speaking to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and start a small conversation. For example, "Hi there, how are you today?" "I'm doing great. I have a lot to do, but I'm feeling positive." It might seem funny at first, but this is one of the best ways to improve your speaking without any fear of judgment. Finally, label the objects in your home with their English names. Write door on the door, table on the table, mirror on the mirror. Every time you see them, say the word aloud and make a short sentence. This is my book. The book is on the table. This is a cup. I drink coffee from this cup. This will train your brain to recognize and recall English words automatically. Step 3. Stop stressing over grammar. One of the biggest traps learners fall into is thinking they must master perfect grammar before they can start speaking. This is a mistake. If you focus too much on rules, you'll always be afraid of saying something wrong. Instead, do what children do: speak first, and fix things later. Kids don't sit with grammar charts, they listen, repeat, and gradually their grammar improves naturally. So, rather than memorizing every grammar rule, focus on learning and using simple, useful sentences. For example, I am eating lunch. She is going to the market. They are playing football. Keep repeating and using these structures until they feel natural. The grammar will take care of itself. And here's a key tip: listen and imitate. When you hear a native speaker say something, don't just understand it, repeat it. Copy their pronunciation and rhythm. Over time, you'll start to sound more fluent without even thinking about it. Making English part of your day. A lot of people say, I don't know what to talk about in English. But the truth is, you already have material for conversation all around you, your daily life. Think about your routine. You wake up, brush your teeth, make breakfast, go to work or school, talk to people, buy things, relax, and sleep. Every one of those activities can be described in English. Here's how you can practice. In the morning, talk to yourself in English as you get ready. Good morning. I feel refreshed. Time to brush my teeth. I'm making tea today. This toast smells delicious. With your family. Good morning, Mom. Good morning. How did you sleep? I slept well. What's for breakfast? Eggs and toast. Do you want some tea? Yes, please. I love tea in the morning. At the market. Excuse me, do you have fresh tomatoes? Yes, they're right here. How much is 1 kilo? $2 per kilo. I'll take 2 kilos, please. And some onions too. With friends. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. How about you? I'm fine. Want to go for a walk? Sure, that sounds nice. These conversations may seem simple, but practicing them daily will build your speaking confidence faster than any grammar book. Improving pronunciation and confidence. Now, let's talk about sounding clear and speaking with confidence. You don't need an American or British accent, but people should be able to understand you easily. Here's how to improve. 1. Listen and repeat. Choose short clips, songs, or sentences from native speakers. Listen carefully and copy exactly. Don't just read, mimic the sound, tone, and speed. 2. Speak slowly and clearly. Many learners think speaking fast makes them sound fluent, but clarity is more important than speed. 3. Record yourself, say a sentence, record it, and compare it with a native speaker. You'll quickly notice where you can improve. As for confidence, remember this. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make them. Speak every day, even 15 minutes is enough. Use the 3-second rule. When someone asks you something, respond within 3 seconds. Don't overthink, just speak. Thinking in English. If you want true fluency, you must train your brain to think directly in English, without translating from your native language. Start small. Step 1. Name objects around you in English: door, pillow, phone, sunlight. Step 2. Make simple sentences: I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. This coffee is hot. Step 3. Talk to yourself throughout the day. I'll wear my blue shirt today. The weather feels nice. I see 2 birds on the tree. Watch and listen to English every day, movies, podcasts, YouTube videos. At first, use subtitles, later, try without them. If you forget a word, don't stop, explain it in another way. For example, if you forget the word lost in I lost my keys, say I don't have my keys. I can't find them. The goal is to keep speaking, not to be perfect. Daily English plan. Morning, name everything around you in English. Afternoon, think in simple English sentences. Evening, watch or listen to English for 20 minutes. Night, talk to yourself in English for 5 to 10 minutes. Follow every day, and you will naturally start thinking in English within weeks. Final words. My amazing students, you now have all the tools you need to speak English confidently, naturally, and fluently. The only thing that can hold you back now is fear and hesitation, and you know how to beat both. English will open countless doors for you: better jobs, travel opportunities, international friendships, access to books, movies, and cultures from around the world. But most importantly, it will give you confidence and independence. Some days will be harder than others. Some people may doubt you. But never stop. You've already come so far, and I believe in you completely. Remember, mistakes don't matter, effort does. This is not the end of your journey, it's the beginning of your fluency. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep thinking in English. One day, you'll look back and realize, you've become the confident English speaker you always wanted to be. Let's make it happen together. I'm with you every step of the way. Now, go out there and live in English, you can do it.